Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am going to be working on a issue with my GR Corolla today, and it's an issue that you can solve if you have a core or a premium, but this won't work if you have a circuit or Marizo. So this is something that I like to do with all of my cars if it's available, and I'm going to show you why it bugs me and what I'm going to do about it to fix it. So with that being said, let me show you what my pet peeve is. So I'm hoping that I can show it to you and that the camera will pick it up. I think it will, yeah. So this is the underside of the hood, and as you can see, it gets painted, but it's sprayed, and you can still see the areas that it's not sprayed well. So, and this is, see that? You can see it, and all the slots. Look at that. And it just drives me nuts that you can see all that. It also drives me nuts seeing the tubing in it. It just looks very unfinished to me. So what I have to solve this problem is an underhood cover. So this will go ahead, and these two tabs right here and right here slide into those holes right there and right there, and then these holes right all around. It's easier to see the holes on the cover. And I have clips that I picked up. There's the part number for those that I picked up for this. And if you want the right cover that fits our GR Corollas, it's a little tricky, guys, because if you get one for a 23 Corolla hatchback, it doesn't fit. These tabs right here and here don't line up. You actually have to get this number right here. And for some reason, this is for the earlier, the 19 to 21 Corolla hatchback. And for some reason, our hoods are stamped the same as those. So I originally ordered one for a 23 Corolla, and it didn't fit. These holes are not the same. These are not spaced the same. So I went back and we started looking at different part numbers, and there was this one right here that we came across for the earlier model. So he ordered one in, and I measured the spacing of these holes from one side to the other, and this one came in, and lo and behold, the spacing was just right. The holes, all these other holes, were all the same. These were all the same on them. So it was just the spacing was different. Why you would change that, who knows? But these will slip right in now. So I'm going to go ahead and put that on, and it just gives it a finished look. And you'll see that once I get that up and finished, and that's what I want. I want a nice, clean, finished look to it. But you can't do this on the circuit and the Marizo because they have the vents and stuff. So I don't think that this is going to give that clearance. And it'll probably, I would imagine it would interfere with the airflow where it's taking in the air. So, but anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get this, we'll get this on and get going from there. Alrighty guys, we're about to go from unfinished and ugly to neat and tidy. So these two tabs slip right into there. And we just take our clips. If you get the newer version, like I said, the tabs won't line up. So I've seen a couple guys do that, and the tabs stick outside. So it's not that you can't use it, but it doesn't quite work like it's supposed to. So I wanted to find the one that fit like it's supposed to. So I was glad that I was able to figure that out. There's the hole. Yeah. So I wanted it perfect. It is weird though how they changed it. I don't know why that would ever come up as a reason to do that, but they did. So get these other ones in there. Oh, there it is. And last but not least, there we go. There we go, guys. So much nicer looking. It just, like I said, it just looks finished. I hated seeing the paint where it didn't spray all the way inside. Now the tubing is all covered. I don't understand why they don't come with these in the first place. So my 2017 IM came with one, but my 2009 Corolla S and my 23 GR did not. It makes no sense. So anyway, I like that a lot more. So anyway, I'll leave the part numbers down below, so even though I showed them in the video, so that you guys know the exact one that works and fits. And hey, if you guys like this, please like, subscribe, help the channel grow. And until next time, guys, we'll see you down the road.